Hello, Honor Chem students. Just wanted to do a quick little video on how to set up for a Google Meet with me. I'm offering one today at 10 and one at 1 p.m. So if you do not know, to join a Google Meet, you do have to use your Eden Prairie student credentials, and hopefully you guys understand that. Any work that we're doing, make sure you're logging in as your Eden Prairie student credentials and your unique password. What you will notice in my message is I will have a link here, and you may have to copy the link and paste it into your browser. I recommend Chrome in order for it to work well. So that will be here, and like it says, it will be posted a few minutes before 10 a.m. And so what you may have to do is you're going to have that that code or that link that you will have to put into a browser. Please do not use, if there's any information ever for me about a call-in option, I would prefer you not using it on your phone. It would be better to use your computer. And then what you will do is you'll use that, you're going to navigate to meeting.google.com from your URL or your, like I said, it should be a Chrome. And you're going to click on this button right here that says join or start a meeting. And then you're going to be given this page right here, enter the meeting code or the nickname. To start your own meeting, enter a nickname or leave blank. This would be the code that you would put in. And then on the meeting you're going to toggle the microphone and the camera buttons as necessary. So what I would prefer is that you do toggle the camera so that it's turned on, but you keep the microphone turned off. When we're in a group situation, there can be a lot of background noise. So our rule of practice is when we are meeting collaboratively with more than 2 or 3 people, that we are going to mute our microphone, and we are only going to turn it on when we're called upon or we want to speak. So that's kind of the rundown on the Google Meet. Good luck, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.